Hi, everyone. So first question, are you a Disney Plus member? Oh my gosh, a lot of people. And how many of you try canceling it? Not many. So just to give you an idea, so fans ask how to cancel Disney Plus 4 times more than how to cancel Netflix. So that's a lot of people. So everyone is trying to figure out how to do it, and there are a bunch of people explaining it how to do it. So we're going to dig more and deeper later. So if you stick with me to the end of this presentation, I have something for you. Make sure you're here. And in the next 25 minutes, I'm going to share a model to help you reduce your subscription churn rate. So if you're sharing on Twitter or posting something on Instagram, feel free to tag me, and I'm happy to reshare it. So my name is Haseeb Tariq, and I help brands grow using marketing automation. I started my first company at the age of 20. And in 1 year, I had 15 employees working for me. And later on, I got acquired by a company based out of Vancouver, Canada, called Article. And I worked with them after that for a year, launched their product from completely an idea to a product, helped them with their pre-launch campaign, and then later on, helped them generate their first 5,000 paying customers. I got lucky after, and I got, out of nowhere, one of my friends, he shared an opportunity with me, and I ended up applying to that, and I got a scholarship in Sweden. It's called Social and Digital Innovation, and out of Sweden,